Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce pasta, an easy guide to a creamy, delightful meal. First, let's get our pasta ready. Heat about 2 liters of water in a pot, adding half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Once boiling, add 2 cups of your favorite pasta. Cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes until it's perfectly al dente, then drain and set aside. This simple step ensures your pasta is ready for the rich sauce. Now, let's create that luscious white sauce. In a separate pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, stir in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking it for about 2 minutes until it forms a light roux. Next, slowly add 1.5 to 3 cups of milk, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps. Keep stirring until the sauce thickens to your desired creamy consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes. To elevate the flavor, let's add some aromatics and vegetables. In a separate pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter and sauté 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic. Then, add 1/4 cup of chopped onions, followed by 1/4 cup each of chopped capsicum and carrots. Cook these until they are slightly tender, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, stir in 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of chili flakes for a delightful kick. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the boiled pasta to your creamy white sauce and gently mix until every strand is coated. Stir in about 1/4 cup of grated cheese, allowing it to melt and create an even richer texture. Ensure everything is well combined and heated through. Serve your delicious white sauce pasta immediately while it's warm and cheesy. You can garnish it with a sprinkle of chili flakes or a few black olives for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.